Good morning. Today is Mama and Jonah Day, and we are going to film part 3 in our series about Legoland. If you missed part 1 and 2, the links are down below, but today Jonah and I are going to explore what there is for 2-year-olds at Legoland. Are you ready, buddy? Turn around and say, let's go.
Let's go.
All right. Carousel. Here we go on the carousel. Here we go. Let's go. This is a great room because it has changing tables. It also has 4 stalls for mothers who are nursing. And then through here, come on Jonah, there's a kitchen in case you need to warm anything. There are high chairs and our favorite, the air-conditioned bathroom. So this is a great place for moms and little ones for all of those needs that you might have, and it's inside the Lego barn. All right, let's go play. All right. Go ahead. I'll meet you on the other side. Peek through the window. Hi. Ooh, big boy. Ooh, wow, wow.
Super fast.
Super fast. I'll meet you on the other side. Hi! Ready? Woo! Super fast. Too super fast. Aww. 2 sheep. Good. All right, let's go. You want to go push the buttons you like to push? Go for it. Mama, follow you. Oh! It's loud, huh? It works. All right, try the next one. Oh, he's so loud! Oh, the cows! Let's go get our stroller. So just a couple of tips for the 2-year-old day. We always bring a thing of water that can be refilled at a water fountain. And some of the other things is a stroller. I would say it's pretty much a must. Sometimes we don't bring one, but I think it's good because the park is big and they have little legs. We also bring snacks, which they allow. And we bring diapers, wipes, and that's pretty much it. And normally sunscreen and a hat, but it's supposed to be rainy today, so we're just having a minute of sunny. But those are some things you want to be sure to bring when you're here with your 2-year-old. So if you're here on a hot day, be sure you wear your bathing suit or bring your bathing suit because they have a fun splash pad. This is great for 2-year-olds or anyone when it's a hot Florida day. This is a nice shaded play area right next to the Duplo train. Oh look, there's blocks in the bin. You want to build something? Whoa, whoa.
You're shopping.
Go this way, this way. Wait for Mama. Oh, oh, oh. You gotta go with it. You have to come up from the bottom for that one. Oh, buddy, go. One more thing in your packing. Don't forget the hand sanitizer. So this little thing used to have slides in it, but it's still pretty fun with the climbing and the walking. So it's a good thing for 2-year-olds.
Treasure! Look everywhere!
So that one is, I'd say, a little bit iffy for 2-year-olds, depending on if your 2-year-old likes the dark or not, because pretty much, as you can tell from the video, most of that was in the dark, and there are things like skeletons and spiders, so it just depends on your child, but Jonah loves it. All right, ready? Let's go. This is an interactive play area where you can shoot people with balls. Let's go. I'm coming. Let's see you shoot the people down below. So we got on this ride by the hair, not on our chinny chin chin, on your head. We barely made it. So you have to be 34 inches for this ride, but Jonah is on the small end of 2-year-olds, so I would say most 2-year-olds will get to ride this. Are you ready? Safari ride! Drive! Oh, the monkey's driving! What are those? Whoa! Did he splash you? Oh, what are those? Ostriches? Look over here, look. Giraffe? A camera! Oh, what's over here? What is that? A lion? Yeah, that's the end. Do you give the NINJAGO ride a thumbs up or thumbs down for 2-year-olds? Thumbs down. Is it scary? Yeah. It's dark.
Fire.
And there's fire. Did Mama have to cover your eyes? Yeah. So the 2-year-olds are allowed to ride this, just depending on your 2-year-old. As you can see from the video, it's pretty extreme. So Jonah did not enjoy it, so he spent most of the ride with his eyes covered. So you just have to gauge based on your 2-year-old. But I'd say probably most 2-year-olds would not like that just because of the loud noises and the content of the video. All right, on to our next thing. Yeah, this is the Lego City show, but they only do it on weekends and then special dates. So we're here on a weekday, so it's not here, but I bet most 2-year-olds would really enjoy this Lego City show. Did you like the ski show? 2 thumbs up? one finger up? All right, let's go do something else. Yeah, let's go.
Hey, Junior Soldier.
Come on.
Welcome to Pirates Cove. I know, a lot to take in. A lot going on. Can we take a picture with you? Awesome. Here we go. Yeah. Soldier's been excited to see you.
Aww.
High five for Miss Miranda. Miss Miranda, looks like you want to.
There we go.
Oh, adorable. All right, here we go.
All right, turn around. I'm going to take your picture with him.
Right up there.
Ready, Jonah? Yeah. So this is the old CYPRESS gardens that they still have open, the big botanical gardens. So this is also a good thing for the 2-year-olds to, Jonah's just strolling with his snack. But it's also a good place to run a little bit and get some exercise. They have the back section closed today because the lake levels are high, but there's a really cool banyan tree back there. But we'll see what we can see. We made it to the banyan tree. Isn't this amazing?
No.
Yes, it is. Look up. Look up. Oh my goodness. This is all one tree. You want to climb it? Oh my goodness. Where are you going to climb?
Oh, wait. That.
All the way up. That looks like a fun tree to climb, doesn't it? Mhm. another great place for some air conditioning. Ooh, look at the earthquake. Can I get a great car? Put it up here. All right, put it down here. Hit the button. Don't put it down. No, no, no. Look, watch. Yay! Go get it. Go get it. All right, ready? Set, go. Push. Push. Here it goes. Oh! Go see. Look, look, they stayed on. Little rats. Are you gonna get us wet again? Oh no. You're gonna get Mama wet? Are you gonna get Mama wet? Oh my goodness. Turn it, turn it. Oh no. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh. The spitting rats. The spitting rats. Ah.
Nice play, Mama.
Oh, thank you, baby.
And I did not do the fire rescue because of time, but 2-year-olds can ride it.
So this is in the back of the park, right across from the Flying School roller coaster and back by the water park. And it's a nice place for 18 months to 2 years old to play and get a break inside the air. Play with the babies.
Like this, baby.
Yes, you like this? Oh, we love Minifigureland where we can hit the buttons and look at all the neat things that are made with the Legos. Kennedy Space Center, Daytona. Ready? Push the button. Yay! Go, Jonah, go! You win! Yay! You won! Good job! We did it! I think we saw all the things that a 2-year-old can do at Legoland.
No.
No? The only thing we missed was we didn't do the character meet and greets. But did you have a fun time?
Yes.
Oh, good boy. You ready to go take a nap?
No.
All right, bye-bye. We hope you enjoyed exploring Legoland with Jonah and I today. As you noticed, I put in the height requirements for the rides today, but if you're interested in that for the other rides, make sure you click our link for episode 1, where I include a link for rides height cheat sheet. Stay peachy!